Oh my god, it's not what I was expecting, but I'm glad it came. So this is an order from SLMissglam Beauty. And I did the GLAM scoop. And then I realized, which was like $140, I think. And then I realized she hasn't done one in a while. So I got an email from her, one of her people, the other day. When I say the other day, I mean weeks ago. I made the order weeks ago. And then I got an email from one of her people saying this is the tracking number for your order, blah, blah, blah. And then I got another email like a week or two later saying, oh, we don't have whatever, blah, 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 in stock or something. So what we're doing is we're gonna send you whole sets. So you're gonna wind up getting more than what you actually asked for. And I'm like, okay, thank you. I can't complain. Well, I didn't say anything to complain about that, but I can't complain about that. And then they're like, we'll send you tracking once we have it. But I don't remember ever getting like set tracking when I tracked the number. But then I was getting notifications I was getting a package. I just didn't know who it was from. I was thinking it was my bridal gift thing. But anywho, this is from SLMissglam. And I'm about to show you what I got. Yeah! So while it did take a while, oh cool, I got a whole other set. Another black glam brush set. Coolness. And I love her packaging. But anyway, I was talking to Daniel about this last night. Oh my god, this is freaking fabulous. Now my sister's gonna be like, Alana, how many brushes do you need? Excuse me? Oh sorry, Thumper Bumper, I scared him. Yeah, oh, nice. So, I am so thankful for all this. I am so excited. 15 piece. And then I got all these other things. Wow, these are really nice. And I have brushes to clean still, but I'm so excited I get to use these because these are some of the best makeup brushes a girl can ask for, or a guy or whoever. They're so beautiful and the quality is so good. The only problem I ever really had was the stone came off, but that just, I don't know. They're probably glued on, but I mean, but the brushes themselves are like top-notch quality in my opinion, and the bristles are so good. But that was like a one of, like I've had her brushes, like particular brushes I got years ago from Ipsy that I still have one that I've been holding on to. It's like a blue one, not this shade of blue, but a different shade of blue, I think. And the bristles are like blue and pink or something. Like it's like an ombre effect. And it's like a highlighter, like a smaller highlighter brush, I would say. And it's like sparkly. It's like really pretty. I don't remember which one it was, but it was from Ipsy. And I still have that one from several years ago. And it's still in like perfect condition. So I mean, that might have just been a one of, but I was telling Daniel last night that I'm going around in circles again. While it does take a while to get her orders, this one actually came in pretty good timing, and I'm very appreciative that her people, or Rhoda, this lady that works with her, or her, I don't know if it's one of her friends or whatever, but this lady Rhoda emailed me. Very communicative and nice and stuff, so it's definitely worth the wait. And that's what I was telling Daniel last night. I was like, yeah, it might take a while, and it is coming from Canada, I think, because I know she's from Canada, but it's definitely worth the wait. And I spent, it was $140 and I got all this good stuff. I'm gonna see if I could break down the price value for you for everything in here that I can price for you. I'm not sure about these. Maybe. I'm not sure if these are available individually, but I know I could probably definitely price these for you. Yeah, I can't wait to show you what's in here. I'm obviously not going to take these all out of here, but the ones that are boxed, I'll show you. And I already bought this one a while ago, so it's nice to get a whole new set of the Black Glam brush set. And I think one of those was the one that missed a stone. It happens. Black Glam brush set from SLMissglam Beauty it's a 15-piece face and eye set. Face and eye makeup brush set. Comes from California, but she's in Canada. And they told me that it was going to be coming from, I think they were telling me it was coming from here rather than Canada, from her home office is what I was assuming. But I thought they said California, or they just said it, and then for some reason I put two and two together and I was like, oh, California probably. So I don't know, or maybe I remembered she said something once upon a time in one of her videos, but I can't remember exactly. So they come nicely packaged in bubble wrap. Some of it, or that did. And I destroyed this box. I know the first time I had this months ago, or last year, I scratched the front of this and I was like, oh no, I ruined it. I'd rather like scratch the side of this. That way it's not, the front of it doesn't get ruined. And this is on the floor. And then, so the Black Glam brush set should have 15 brushes in it, and they come really nicely packaged. Like in these little netted things, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, 15. They're all here. And all the girls are here. I can't wait to put these. I'm gonna move this around in here. Like these brushes. Oh, this brush. I have this one in here in case I was in the other day. A smile is the best makeup. True story, bro. So yeah, I'm gonna just take these out. I'm gonna leave the netting on for now and put them in here. I'll move this one out of here for now because it doesn't belong in this video. So aren't they pretty? They're like black and sparkly with like off-white white brushes with like little diamondy crystally stones, limestones. They're so pretty, and the quality is just really good. That's what I like about her brushes. Aesthetically, they're probably my favorite ones. And I'm gonna fill this up. No joke. True story, brush. Like this. So these came in here. And this is the SML Glam Beauty pink makeup case. I thought I was gonna get one of her other ones, but this is fine. I don't want to complain. She gave me all this extra stuff. I shouldn't complain. Cruelty free and vegan. Ooh. Okay. So it comes in her paper, which is cute. Everything's pink except for the black. And I thought I was in, is this what that is? Maybe this is it. No, this isn't what I was picturing. I was picturing another one of those cases. Like the one that's like a rectangle. Not like this, but like the one where it's like, I don't have an example to show you right now, or else I would. But this is nice too. It's not what I was picturing I was gonna get. But I can't complain. But this one's nice too. Here, I'm gonna close this up. Give it some shape again. I might put the paper and whatever is left in here to just like stuff it. So it's she's trying to find me probably. I like held Bunny for like a good 5 minutes or something, which isn't typical of her. But she's going through the motions again in heat. So she's I guess she's extra cuddly right now. She let me hold her for like a good 5 minutes. I probably could have done it longer, but so I'm probably gonna put some stuffing in here just to like give it some life to fill it and build it up again. I'm having a hard time closing this. Okay, I got it. I don't want to hurt myself. But yeah, this is the makeup case that I got. It's really pretty. We're going to do the baby doll set, and I'm going to keep the packaging from this because I'm going to stuff that with this. I shouldn't have thrown those on the floor, but I did. No, I won't pick them up. It's funny because like I got the special Glam Scoop because I couldn't make up my mind of what I wanted. I had no idea, and I'm like, oh, let me just do the Glam Scoop. And that's what I did, and then they wound up giving me all these nice sets. Alright, so this is the 15. This is like the pink version, I guess, of the black glam one. It's the baby doll 5-piece face and eye set. And yeah, very similar. Very nice as well. You got 15 beautiful brushes. They're like the baby pink, light pink, with pink little rhinestones, and like these are more of a white compared to those. The brushes, which I'm not mad about. See, those are like a white, pure white, and these are like an off-white. I don't know if it's, yeah, you can probably see the difference. And very nice. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Take them out and kind of set them in there. I don't know if they're all going to fit. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There it is. And then I'll show you a little more close up. So like, these are the pink ones. You like how it has like the pink stone, and then the black ones have the clear diamondy stone. I don't think it's all in here. They're like really pretty. And I got the pink mini brush set, which has it's a secret. It's top secret, and you don't know until you open it. That's what it is. Try not to ruin the front. I'll ruin the back. Okay. It says it says stay sparkly. It's like very similar packaging. Ooh, and these are like a pinker. They're like somewhere between the black and the pink. So, because it's this shade of pink, which is like a pinker pink. Oh, and the brush, what do you call this? The bristles are like white, kind of ombre, like a faded pink, like a white with a faded pink. And then they have the white stones, cleary white stones. They're pretty. And it comes with 6, 8 brushes, and it's like travel size, but I would use these at home. I don't bring these to travel with, to be honest. So yeah, these are also really beautiful. I'm trying not to drop these. Really beautiful brushes. See? The white tips. Okay. I found this black glam brush set, 15-piece set. And we have the baby doll, SMS Glam baby doll 15-piece face and eye set. And then we have these packs of brushes. There's this one, which is this one's gorgeous. Round blusher brush. It's a marble. And it has pink stones and like a white and black marble pattern brim. And then like a pink head, bristled head, whatever you call it. Pink. And then I have this baby blue with like clear stone and a white brush. Travel Away Tapered Highlight TM3. The bristles are white, just lighting on my shirt makes it look good. You see? And then I got this pink cotton candy face and eye set. 3, 7, and they're like pink, blue, with pink and blue and pink, and then these are like baby pink. These are really pretty, really pretty. They are really pretty. How about them? I love these. I really do. I am so excited. I can't wait to figure out what this one would have cost me if I bought them individually. But I know I had to have gotten a bargain. I got all this stuff for like, was it 120 bucks? Not bad. Thank you to Slmissglam, Stephanie, and her friends for putting this together for me and sending this to me all the way in New Jersey. And if you like this video, give it a thumb up. Subscribe to my channel, Lulu's World. Thank you if you watch this to the very end. It is very appreciated. Comment below, leave emojis, you can leave me a comment, question, like, and almost anything. And share it with anyone you know, anyone and everyone you know, and I'll see you later. Bye.